Rustic luxury house interior design combines the warm, inviting elements of the rustic style with the elegant and high-end features of luxury design. One of the key features of rustic luxury house interior design is the use of natural materials. This includes exposed wooden beams, stone accents, and natural stone or hardwood flooring. The color palette in a rustic luxury house interior design tends to be earthy and neutral. Think warm browns, rich creams, and deep greens. These colors create a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. Another important aspect of rustic luxury house interior design is the use of texture. Rough-hewn wooden furniture, plush fabrics, and faux fur throws all add depth and visual interest to the space. In a rustic luxury house interior design, attention to detail is crucial. Handcrafted furniture, custom built-ins, and unique accessories all add to the overall luxurious feel of the space. Lighting plays a significant role in rustic luxury house interior design. Incorporating statement chandeliers, sconces, and pendant lights can add a touch of elegance to the rustic elements. Rustic luxury house interior design often includes a grand fireplace as a focal point. Whether it's made of stone or aged wood, a fireplace adds both warmth and luxury to the space. Furniture pieces in rustic luxury house interior design tend to be oversized and comfortable, reflecting the cozy nature of the style. Leather sofas, large ottomans, and deep armchairs are common choices. Bedrooms in rustic luxury house interior design are often adorned with luxurious linens, plush pillows, and cozy throws. Canopy beds and faux fur accents add elegance and comfort. Bathrooms in rustic luxury house interior design can feature stone or copper tubs, intricate tilework, and high-end fixtures. These elements create a spa-like retreat within the home. Open floor plans are common in rustic luxury house interior design. Large, airy spaces create a sense of grandeur while allowing for the flow of natural light. Plenty of natural light is a key aspect of rustic luxury house interior design. Large windows, skylights, and glass doors help to bring the outdoors in and brighten the space. Rustic luxury house interior design often includes a bar area or wine cellar. Dark, rich wood and statement lighting fixtures create a sophisticated space for entertaining. Home offices in rustic luxury house interior design often feature built-in bookshelves, wooden desks, and comfortable seating. These spaces blend functionality with elegance. Outdoor living spaces are an important aspect of rustic luxury house interior design. Patios, decks, and porches are often equipped with comfortable seating, fire pits, and outdoor kitchens. Kitchens in rustic luxury house interior design feature high-end appliances, stone countertops, and custom cabinetry. The design often incorporates elements of the farmhouse style, such as a farmhouse sink or exposed shelving. Accent walls are another feature of rustic luxury house interior design. Reclaimed wood, stone, or textured wallpaper can be used to create a focal point and add dimension to a room. Rustic luxury house interior design embraces nature. Indoor plants, floral arrangements, and botanical prints are common elements that bring the outdoors inside. Artwork and decor in rustic luxury house interior design often feature natural motifs or landscapes. Large landscape paintings, animal sculptures, and antique maps are popular choices. Rustic luxury house interior design combines the natural, cozy elements of rustic design with the elegance and opulence of luxury design. The use of natural materials, warm color palettes, attention to detail, and incorporation of high-end features all contribute to the overall luxurious feel of the space.
Rustic luxury house interior design is an exquisite fusion of timeless allure and contemporary sophistication. This captivating aesthetic marries natural elements with refined elegance, resulting in spaces that are not only visually stunning but also radiate warmth and comfort. In the realm of rustic luxury design, a commitment to using natural materials is paramount. The use of wood, stone, and metal serves as the foundation, establishing a tangible connection between the interior and the serenity of the outdoors. Reclaimed wood plays a pivotal role in this design approach, introducing a sense of history and character through imperfections and aged patinas. The color palette is subdued and earthy, with warm tones creating a harmonious atmosphere that invites relaxation. Natural stone accents, such as fireplaces and accent walls, add a touch of rugged elegance, creating a dynamic visual appeal. Antique and vintage furnishings contribute to the design's authenticity, with distressed finishes and aged patinas evoking a sense of history. Cozy textiles like wool, fur, and plush fabrics enhance both comfort and aesthetics, while handcrafted details and artisanal craftsmanship celebrate the skills of talented artisans. Exposed wooden beams, often left in their natural state, become a focal point, offering structural interest and an open, airy ambiance. Vintage lighting fixtures, with a nod to industrial design, complement the rustic luxury aesthetic, while open floor plans and large windows bring the outdoors into the living space. Nature-inspired artwork, luxurious textures, and statement fireplaces contribute to the overall ambiance of refinement and opulence. Balancing the ruggedness of natural materials with polished metals and contemporary elements creates a style known as rustic chic, adding sophistication to the design. Custom cabinetry crafted from natural wood maximizes functionality while seamlessly integrating with the rustic luxury theme. Extending living spaces to the outdoors through covered patios or decks enhances the overall lifestyle experience, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living. Vintage rugs, potted plants, and indoor gardens add finishing touches, introducing patterns, colors, and a touch of nature to the interior. Personalized elements, such as family heirlooms and travel souvenirs, infuse the space with individuality, ensuring the rustic luxury home reflects the unique personality and history of its inhabitants. In conclusion, crafting a rustic luxury house interior design is an artful endeavor, requiring a delicate balance of natural elements, thoughtful curation, and an appreciation for craftsmanship. The result is a sanctuary that captivates the eye, nourishes the soul, and stands as a testament to timeless beauty and inviting comfort.